In today's video, I'm going to teach you all the tricks on how to multiply decimals by powers of 10, and we're going to learn how to do it with exponents. So we have two problems here that we're going to work on. We have 0.004 times 10 to the power of 5 and 2.002 times 10 to the power of 5. So let's start. When you multiply a decimal by a power of 10, the exponent tells how many places to move the decimal point. So for multiplication, we move the decimal point to the right. Okay, we're going to move the decimal to the right. This tells you how many times to move the decimal over to the right. So here we're going to move it 5 times over. Move the decimal over 5 times. Okay, so here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we have some empties here. Fill the empties with 0, like that. So our decimal point, we've moved to the end of this number here. So now our number becomes 400. So we could get rid of all the numbers here at the beginning. We don't need these zeros at the beginning. We just need the number 400. So we move this over 5 times and we end up with 400. Now let's do the other one. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to move the decimal over to the right. Move the decimal over 5 times, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, and then we fill the empties with zeros. So we put 2 zeros here. And so our number comes out to be this, 200,200. And that's the number. So we moved our decimal over 5 times. The decimal's here now. And we ended up with this number. And that's it. Those are all the tricks you need to know on how to multiply by a power of 10 with exponents, okay? So if you don't understand that, don't worry, you could just rewatch the video. Anyone can do this. As well, take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook you could download. In the ebook, you'll find a link to this very lesson. You can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, in the description, I have links to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar. You could check those out. And please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.